So one of my members messaged yesterday and she said, I'm just so stuck. Her family betrayed her, her husband betrayed her, and she just is going through a lifetime of healing from betrayal. And I so wanted to be able to have the video playing in the background, the most inspiring video in the background, and talk to you about it, but I'm not that tech savvy. So I'm gonna old school tell you the video. And if you can old school tell me what you think, if you are stuck, watch the video by T.D. Jakes, The Stumbling Stage. And you will see what it's just going to be create such an awareness around your life and how impactful you can be. But when you're allowing somebody to just destroy how you think, feel, act, live, behave, react, all of it, it's just taking away from who you are and who you're meant to be. So T.D. Jakes, The Stumbling Stage, just letting you know, and let me know. I want to know what you thought of it, because I hope it inspires you as much as it inspired me and one of our PBT members. Hope that helps.